Here we come to the elevator at the Highland Commons. It's a generic elevator that was installed in 2003, and it has EPCO/Adams Vandal resistant fixtures.
That's like they lock this elevator at night.
Yeah, they do. It's got a cat card reader. And it's coming down, I think. And it's here. And here it is. Let's go up to 3. ADA compliant phone, capacity 2,500 pounds. Here we go. Here we are on 3. Fluorescent lighting. This is our cab view. There we go. Let's go down to, let's go to 1. Door close button works. This is a rather basic elevator, but it runs nicely.
Damn, it's loud though.
Yeah, fan is on high. Actually, it's only 1 speed. Here we are on 1. Just a second, here we are on 1. Safety instructions, fire service. Innovation chime. Anyways, here it goes.